Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of the Daily Market Update. This morning I was watching a movie I watched a number of times. It's Groundhog Day. And for those of you who haven't watched that movie, it's basically Bill Murray is repeating the same day over and over. And that's what it feels like with these consolidation patterns. Every day just seems the same. And what's happening here in the euro, we have been speaking about this for a number of days now, is we're in a triangular consolidation pattern, and the market is just bouncing up and down in this consolidation pattern. We 80% of the time what happens is that the market may break to the downside, but we also have to be on the lookout for the market to break to the upside. And yesterday I spoke about the Canadian dollar and the fact that we're in a channel consolidation pattern and the market could reverse. And lo and behold, what happened? The market closed below this channel, and the market has sold off since that close. And our subscribers are enjoying this trade. We decided to go in the euro Canadian dollar as opposed to the USD Canadian dollar, and the reason is because this currency is in an established downtrend, and we prefer to select currency pairs that are already in a downtrend as opposed to this one here. But this is also a good trade, USD Canadian dollar, if you trade breaks like this. So whichever way, we said yesterday that you should be on the lookout for the break, and it has happened here, and we could expect this market to move down further. Okay, so that is the USD Canadian dollar, and that's why if you pay attention to these daily updates, you will definitely get profitable trading ideas. Looking at the British pound, the market broke out of this wedge pattern here and broke down, made a new low on the here, and this market is retracing back up now. Resistance in this market is at this 150 level and also above this 151 spike high. If we see the market move above this 151.50 or so spike high, we could see a test of 153. If the market fails to eclipse these levels here at 149.50 or so, we could see a move back down in the British pound. Australian dollar USD is in a triangular consolidation pattern that we can see here. It's clearly drawn, and we could see some resistance at this trend line in this currency pair. So still a number of currencies are in consolidation. The only breakout so far is the Canadian dollar versus the USD. Taking a look at the USD Japanese yen, the market traded briefly below the trend line but has rebounded so far this morning, and we could see a move up to this 121 high, and this 121 high would act as resistance, and support in this market would be at this 118.50 low. Okay, so again, look out for the breakouts of these triangular patterns. They offer some very good trading opportunities. Another market that is in a consolidation is the British pound Australian dollar. Market is in a classic triangular consolidation here, and this is a market also we'll be keeping a close eye on. Personally, for our signals, we are currently long this market in anticipation of a break to the upside. If the market doesn't break to the upside and breaks to the downside, we'll take a small loss. There's nothing wrong in losing trades. The, the fact is, over time, your winners should be larger than your losers. Yesterday we spoke about the probabilities and mathematics of trading, and I got a lot of feedback from folks to just elaborate on that topic a bit more. So I will go ahead and make an attempt. Trading, there are a lot of folks out there that are advocating high percentage wins for your trading. But just because you have a high percentage of wins, that does not necessarily mean that you will have a profitable system. And for anyone who listens to these broadcasts, I I expect that after listening for a while, you'll be more educated and informed than the average trader. Because remember, if you are like the average trader, you you will find it difficult to make money in the market. So let me go over what I said again. Let's say your trade win percentage is 90% and your average win is 1 point, but your average loss is 10 points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You have 9 wins in a row. So that's 9 points. And your one losing trade is 10 minus 10. So 9 minus 10 is minus 1. So you are losing money. Even though you had a very high win percentage, you're still losing money. So looking at, just because your system is 90% accurate, 80, 70, 60, 50 doesn't really mean anything. It doesn't mean much when you're trading. You have to have your overall system's expectancy has to be positive. So for example, over a period of a number of trades, 10 trades, 15, 20 trades, you hope that your system will make money in the very end. So that's what I was saying yesterday, and the converse is true, where you could have a system that is, I use the example of 30% accurate. That means you'd have 3 winning trades and 7 losers. Yes, 3 winners, 7 losers. So in 10 trades, let's go back to 10. Let's say your average loss is 1 point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's minus 7. And your average win is 3 points. 3, 6, 9. 9 minus 7, you're plus 2. Okay, so that's with a system that's 30% accurate. And I've seen systems out there that just about 30% accurate, 29, 28% accurate, and still makes a lot of money. So it just really depends on your system's expectancy. So I hope that made it a bit clearer. And I know you don't see a lot of this information out there in Forex land, because I believe that a lot of the information out there is not really that good. So the reason why traders aren't making money is not that they can't trade. It's because there's a lot of misinformation out there in the markets that traders follow and have led you along the wrong path. And if you're on the wrong path, it's difficult to get profitable. And by paying attention to these briefings, I hope to guide you on the right path, because trading is definitely a way that you can achieve your financial dreams. You have no employees. All you need to do is use what's in between your ears and make money from the markets, but you have to do it correctly. Okay, so let's hope tomorrow is not like Groundhog Day. It's not like today. We do get some breaking out of these consolidation patterns, similar to what happened in the Canadian dollar. And remember, if you want these signals sent to your account, you can click on the link below to start receiving them automatically. So until tomorrow, I hope you have a good day, and this is Beyond signing out. Thank you.